Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to know your laptop age. In this video, I will show you how to know your PC or laptop age. First, go to magnifying glass and open command prompt by type CMD. You can type system info here and press enter. It's loading your data. The system will display some of your laptop data. For example, it will show your OS name and version, your laptop brand and series, and other laptop data. To know your laptop age, you can see at the BIOS version. Yes, that date is the date the BIOS was installed, although it is not a very precise date of manufacture of the laptop. But the year your laptop manufacturing date will not be far from that date. So, in this case, my laptop is about 4 years old now. How about your laptop? Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.